My name is Omar Garcia, and I'm the president for the Society of Hispanic Professional Engineers here at Cal State Fullerton. SHPE embodies the mission of empowering the Hispanic community to realize its fullest potential and to impact the world through STEM awareness, access, support, and development. Not only this, but we are dedicated to developing our members professionally, academically, and increasing their leadership skills. As a chapter, we offer engaging workshops that ensure you are ready when an opportunity presents itself. Whether it be by creating a LinkedIn profile and ensuring you are following best practices, or tips on how to expand your network. Our workshops are planned specifically to prepare you for career fairs and our SHPE National Conference at the end of the year. Our organization at a national level provides its members with the opportunity to attend a convention filled to the brim with recruiters and time to get to know them on a personal level. In our previous convention, we were able to have 43 members attend, resulting in a total of 80 interviews, and 20 of them getting either internships or full-time positions over a variety of companies. As many of our members start to graduate, our alumni network grows. As a member of SHPE, you have access to the success stories of our organization, individuals who are passionate to help out and provide guidance. Along with this, we offer a mentorship program, where you are given the opportunity to find your personal mentor, someone who will be the one you can rely on, who can provide advice, and ensure you are excelling in your career. In our organization, we have a phrase we commonly use, SHPE Familia. It refers to the strong bonds you make with the individuals around you when you join. I have found in no other organization a feeling that comes close to the compassion and unity we have in SHPE. As a chapter, we want you to get to know your SHPE Familia just a little bit better, and we do this by providing social events. In the past, we offered cookouts, Halloween contests, and Bob Ross painting competitions. If I'm being honest, I joined SHPE because I wanted to find jobs, but I stayed with SHPE because of the connections I made along the way. And I realized that the more connections I made, the easier it became to network with professionals. All I had to do was get involved. Speaking of such, a good way to become involved is to attend our weekly meetings and events. These events will be hosted through Zoom, and the links are sent through our Discord channel, social media platforms, and emails. So make sure that you follow us so you don't miss out on all the amazing opportunities we provide. We hope to see you there.